Matters are the heart of your workflow on Clarra, serving as the central point all other features connect through. In this video, we'll review how to create and edit matters, as well as how to utilize custom fields for matters. To learn more about custom fields and how we created the specific fields used in this demo, check out our video on creating custom field groups on our support site. You can access the New Matter page from any page on Clarra by clicking Add New in the upper nav, represented by the plus icon, and selecting Add New Matter. You can also click Matters on the left sidebar to go to the Matters section and add new matter in the top right. You don't have to fill in all fields on this page, but you must fill in all required fields. Required fields are denoted with an asterisk next to them. The matter number is auto-generated and used to identify each individual matter, but you may edit it if you like. First, name the matter by typing it in the text box. Let's say we're working on the aims case. Then, select a matter type. You can choose from the existing options or edit and create custom matter types in Properties. Let's say this case is an insurance case. Then, select whether or not the matter is complex. This is used to indicate certain types of legal proceedings. You can visit our support site for an article explaining its use cases in more detail, as well as how to rename this field to something potentially more relevant to your workflow, such as status. You can also select clients to associate with this matter. The options draw from your list of contacts, which we review in another video. Contacts are essentially your virtual Rolodex on Clarra of people outside your organization. We then choose the primary office handling, and can choose from the default options or customize the options available in Properties. Select the date the matter was opened, and if the matter is ongoing, do not select a date closed. In the matter summary, we have the space to write a brief description of the matter. Team members is where you assign users to the matter. All matters must have at least one user assigned as the lead attorney. The user's billing rate is filled with their default rate, but can be edited for the individual matter. Claradocs distribution refers to whether the user will receive daily email notifications about documents related to the matter. You can add more lead attorneys, as well as other types of team members. Other attorneys are automatically assigned to events linked to the matter, like lead attorneys. Paralegals are not automatically assigned to events. All of these team member types are customizable in Properties, so if your company doesn't work in a legal field or uses different terminology, you can easily change lead attorney to manager or project lead, for example. Docketing users are users who receive notifications when documents associated with events are uploaded to Clarra. These are your coworkers who are responsible for calendaring events and are part of Clarra's closed-loop calendaring system and audit trail that ensures visibility and security. All matters must have at least one docketing user. Matter access and accounting access help to ensure security and confidentiality by restricting the ability to view and edit matters only to users who have been granted access. There are several options to select from for matter access. All active users grants access to all Clarra users at your company. All active users accept allows you to specify which individual users you don't want to grant access to. Selected users lets you choose which individual users will have access to the matter. Matter team members only gives access only to the team members you've selected in the section above. Group members only assigns access to groups of users you've created. You can learn more about the convenience of making user groups on our support site. Accounting access determines which users can view and edit accounting information related to the matter. In order to have accounting access, a user must first have matter access. The options available parallel those for matter access, except instead of picking from all Clarra users in your organization, you're picking from users who already have matter access. It's useful to differentiate between matter and accounting access, as not all users with matter access necessarily need access to the matter's accounting information. It's an additional layer of security. You can add a court if you're dealing with a legal matter. You can choose from the list of courts pre-installed on Clarra and edit available options and Properties. You can also enter the relevant court case number. If you have enabled the calendar rules integration, be sure to enter the calendar rules jurisdiction. You can learn more about enabling calendar rules with Clarra on our support site. You can also include the electronic case file link, and if you'd like to add a judge, you can choose one from your list of contacts. Below the court section, you'll be able to place custom fields. Let's say your company works on a variety of cases involving insurance, such as this Ames insurance appeal example. You may want to include information about the insurance provider. Here, we've created a custom field group that includes categories we've created relevant to this type of matter. These custom fields are demonstrative of the variety of field types you can choose from when creating custom fields, as you can enter text, select a date from a calendar, choose an option from a drop-down menu you've created, and enter numbers. Included below is a generic example of how custom fields are structured, as you can create major section headers and section headers to organize how custom fields appear on a page, as we did with the insurance example above. Finally, in the Other section, you can add a referral source from your contacts. You can also add notes about the matter for internal reference, as well as admin notes that are only visible to admin-level users. When you've finished filling in the information you'd like, press Save, and you've created your first matter. To edit a matter, simply click the Matter Info icon, scroll to the bottom, and press Edit. Here, you can adjust and add information in a page layout that is essentially the same as creating a new matter. Within these matter tabs, you can view information about the matter, as well as linked plaintiffs and linked contacts. You can also view time slips, events, and documents associated with the matter, as well as other linked matters. The matter's accounting information is also easy to access, as well as milestone events and communication items associated with the matter. As mentioned before, you can edit matter properties and create custom fields for matters by heading to the Properties section. The Matters Properties tab gives you the ability to edit properties relevant to matters, and if you click on the Global tab, you can even rename the term matter itself. Some firms may prefer to use the term case instead of matter, for example. We have videos and articles on our support site about creating custom fields and editing properties, as well as a Getting Started video that reviews how to edit matter properties specifically. With that, you're ready to create and edit matters and take advantage of the comprehensive and cohesive matter management capabilities of Clarra.